Removing floor tile can change the timing and approach for plumbing, cabinetry, and waterproofing so you avoid rework and hidden damage. When you remove tile, you first expose the subfloor and any existing underlayment, which reveals whether joists, sleepers, or cement backer board are sound. Inspect by tapping and looking for rot or soft spots, and measure for level variations using a straight edge. If plumbing fixtures will be reset or moved, plan to demo before rough plumbing is finalized so pipes are accessible and you can adjust waste and vent locations without cutting new openings through finished surfaces. For cabinetry and vanities, leave framing dimensions and mount points flexible until the new finished floor height is confirmed. Add shims or blocking based on the final floor, plus any underlayment or mortar bed thickness. Before installing waterproofing, confirm the subfloor is clean, dry, and flat within 1/4 inch over 10 feet, and patch all depressions with a compatible leveling compound following manufacturer cure times. When tile removal exposes old thinset or adhesive, use a grinding tool or scraper and then vacuum with a high-efficiency particulate air-filtered vacuum to ensure bonding of new materials and to protect plumbing from debris. Always allow appropriate drying time and recheck elevations after any repairs so fixtures and thresholds align and trim fits without forcing materials. Common mistakes are demolishing after plumbing is routed, which forces reruns and increases cost. Avoid this by removing tile first and verifying plumbing paths so you can reposition pipes before finishing. People often assume the subfloor is fine and install waterproofing, only to find soft spots later. Inspect and repair subfloor integrity immediately and document repairs before proceeding. Another issue is poor cleanup, leaving adhesive residue that prevents new floor materials from bonding. Use mechanical scrapers and thorough vacuuming, then wipe with a manufacturer-recommended cleaner to remove fine dust. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare work styles and pricing while sharing project details with our discussion community for feedback. We also connect contractors to prospective jobs and let us all exchange experience, tips, and referrals so projects start on the right foot.